So, sorry, because I need to swap. So the garage is this one, Next Level Mechanic Limited. And it's a legal company, so I go take to court. That is not a problem, because we are already on a process to court to the Citroën Berlingo. So we go here. Listen, it's done the same to another customers. Yeah, new clutch, new turbos, all that kind of things. These guys are so bad to scanning the people. Yeah, is don't know what this guy's doing. Yeah. Now imagine a rebuild engine failing oil pump and a brand new turbo. Yeah. Asking for I drive 2.5 hours to do it, to go there. No. So you can see the address is this one. Yeah. So very careful with these guys. Very careful these guys, because these guys, the reviews here, you can see is pay apart from this one. Yeah. So yeah, so you go like compare the mechanic, all that kind of things. Please don't use these guys. Don't use, because it's going to scan you quite a lot, you know. So yeah, so it's a bit, the guys is around here, it's around there. It's quite difficult to work out with these guys way it is, because it's taking to another, I think so, it's around here. So no idea, because now it's different. So yeah, so very careful with these guys, so you don't want to be scanned. And yeah, leave your reviews down, leave your review, your comments, everything. So yeah, so I go see these guys in court. I will go see this guy in court, because I go pay. Now he sent me another text, listen, on the WhatsApp. Yeah, now you're ready for collection, and marking the full payment, collect about the Citroën because blocked DPF, and because injected is connecting, and when inject is connecting, main cause it's the DPF. This is just, and I just pay for the injector, These guys are spot on, man. I love these guys. I don't mind. Look. Yep. So all the details is here. I love these guys. I pay for replace the injector. Yeah. And these guys now, well, I go bring the van. I go have so much fun with these guys. I go bring the van. You know me. I go I go bring the van. He goes straight to court. My God, I don't go touch the van. I don't care about the money, but I go leave it there. I go through this company so badly. But please, people, don't fall like us fall. I work with a lot of companies through the month, through the month is something like that. We got another engines to be rebuilt, and this ones is the best ones, the best ones. And oh, another one. These guys ask you to pay you for the personal account. The personal account of that person. It's very easy. We can go here. It's here. Akil Ahmed. My apologies, I cannot pronounce, but yeah. So please don't do that. So lucky I can afford it. And I got to everything to the court, and I'm waiting for the Citroën Berlin come tomorrow. I will update the videos as well, so I will update. And yeah, please don't fall off, don't do what I done, please. And yeah, so in case you see this on the TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you name it, where I am. So just put a like, share maximum as you can, of course, because this need come out. This you need to do it. And I just want to show the invoice of this. That is a part what we say is replaced to me, you know, injector, and the injector is saying there is knocking, yeah. So you can see no proofs at all. So it's like that. So now the engine is knocking, it sent the pictures, all that kind of things. No problems at all. I'm very happy. Here is the proof of the cylinder head. It's been fine. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. So here is the invoice. Yeah. So you can see, yeah. Don't believe it. Don't believe on that. Okay? Don't believe it. So you can see the price on the beginning is 2,445. The new block, what I don't agree, £600. So the head repair valves interpressed, 250. I requested that. Sound is 150. Oh, it's go up now. Sorry, my apology. Yeah. The oil pump 350. Injector one. Yep. Injector one. Listen, injector one. Yep. £200. Yep. It's fine. No problems at all. Storage. Yep. It's not me. It's not me. Yep. It's not me. But because I got all that kind of things, charging storage £200. Yep. And the crankshaft. Yep. Crankshaft there. So yeah. And now you can see injector one there. Yeah. Listen what he's saying to me. Because of one inject this knocking engine. These guys is making me laugh so much, man. It's like I've been all of my life, almost all of my life, I'm a mechanic, got mechanics. I worked so many. I've been doing this job for over 16 years, and this is the first time we find these persons. So yeah, guys. So stay tuned. I'm waiting for the Citroën Berlingo tomorrow, and and we'll see what is going on. Cheers.